Hi friends, Christine here, and I am so excited today to finally bring you the Flexi Sport. We have been waiting for this for 3 years. Well, it's been in production for 3 years, and we've known about it for at least 2 plus. Some of us have had it, the prototype, for a while, and we are in love with it. This is going to be probably your go-to clip. It is perfect for the field, the pool, the beach, all of these places where the metal flexis you might feel like are too formal, too fancy, or metal on the field is not allowed. The Flexi Sport is the answer. So I'm going to tell you a little bit about it, and then I'm going to show you just a couple of the styles that you can do using this. So you might have seen some pictures already, but it is made of a type of polymer plastic type thing, that the stuff that earbuds are made out of. So it's very soft and it's very grippy. And that is the magic behind the Sport. It's grip and the fact that it doesn't have any exposed metal. There is a steel spring to give it its form and to enable it to bend like it does, to give it the strength. But there is no exposed metal at all. And then it has the notches on both sides of the pin, like the Flexi Flip. So, but the Sport, so it can do the same thing as the Flip, but it is totally unique in itself. So these are 2 of the colors, and then I am going to show you, these are the colors that are going to be available initially. Well, the black will be available soon. They do have gray available starting tomorrow. It's available on September 1st. There'll be gray, purple, and then the turquoise blue available tomorrow. Then the black will be coming soon. So I'm going to show you, I'll show you in the blue just because I think it shows up a little bit easier. Now this is 3rd day hair, and I'm telling you, I'll show you, it's just a wild mess. But I'm going to show you some styles that will tame it in a hurry. And I am going to use rose water just to spritz on a little bit and comb through just some of that frizz to help it tone down just a little bit. So, all right. So to start, I'm just going to, works the exact same way as the Flexis and the Flip, where the pin is attached, it slides over, catches on a notch to allow that hair to be secure. And then if you put it this way, you've got less area for that hair, so you can get a tighter grip or put less hair in it. So I'm going to show you a ponytail to start, just the traditional way, and I want you to see how high or how tight and grippy it is not going to budge. I could do somersaults down a hill, and that is not going to change at all. It is grip tight, but it's still not pulling on my scalp. If you can see, it's all holding on to that tension in the hair. So no hair headaches. It's amazing. So if I wanted to do, I know a lot of us like that high pony. I'm going to scoop that hair up for a high pony. Now, if I want it to be really perky, I'm going to put it with the rounded side down. That pin slides along, collect it, and again, it's not going anywhere. This is great for running, for walking, any kind of exercise really. It's going to hold your hair. You won't have to slow your momentum down to keep adjusting your hair. It's going to stay put, no budging. All right, then I want to show you a top knot. This is probably one of my favorite go-tos. I just take that loop of hair, hold it up here. Now I am going to need the bigger size opening for this. Slide that pin through, grab it, grip it, grab hair from both sides. Slide that in, and then kind of just pull that hair out, and you can try to twist it around any way you want. So high top knot, no budging. I mean, it's right now it's one size. So the only people that probably are not going to be able to use this immediately, actually I'll take that back because I'm going to show you a way that even people with really long hair or really thick hair can still use it. But the majority of people will be able to use it. The really thick hair, you may not be able to use it in your particular style. If you like to encompass the whole bun, you probably wouldn't be able to use it. But speaking of buns, I'm going to do a messy bun and show you how I can do it. Now I wouldn't be able to encapsulate the whole thing, and I'm leaving parts out intentionally. So I'm going to take the Flexi and I'm going to stick the pin in just the outer edge of that bun, grab hair from underneath, come up the other side of that bun, or just alongside it, and then I can kind of pull, and then I can secure that bun. I like to do it kind of on the side. I went more to the top that time, but you could secure it underneath, you can secure it on the side. You can do a lazy wrap bun if your hair's not too thick, to scoop in and get some Celtic knots, all kinds of ways to secure it. Even if you have a really thick hair, you could still use it that way. Then one more I'll show you, just even that you could do a French twist. Tuck in the ends. And then I'm going to come across, grab that hair from both sides to secure it and anchor it. And there you go. All those styles and so many more. I'm going to be doing more demos with the Sport to showcase its flexibility. It really is perfect for little girls. You could share these, but they're going to want their own, I can tell you now. So right now, again, you'll be able to get it in a purple, the blue turquoise that's in my hair, and then a charcoal gray. The black will be available soon, hopefully. So the plan was for the black to be available and the gray to come later, but there was a mix up with manufacturing. So now we have gray, which actually I am super excited about it. When they first came out, I'm like, ooh, I want a gray. And so I'm thrilled that they're coming out with the gray. If you have any questions, please let me know. You can drop a comment below if you're as excited about this as I am. And I hope you guys have a great day. Bye.